Hello and welcome back to our channel of pre-trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. Now let us not waste any further time and let us go straight to the charts of gold, GBP USD and Euro USD from where we left off on Friday night, and we made some amazing wins in the gold as we discussed on Friday night. Okay, now let us go straight to the charts. Okay, so when we were discussing the market yesterday on Friday night, I clearly told you guys that you guys could sell gold if this candle closes with a red candle, and you guys can clearly see that this was a red candle and it tested our area of resistance, and market continued to go down, and we would have made some good profit in this trade, and even this trade was a continuing trade, so these both of these trades would be executed and so let me take these trades right in front of you guys so you guys can understand that how much profit or loss you guys would have made. So this was the trade which we had already taken and this would be a continued trade. And this trade would have given us a take profit of 4.5%. And then the very next candle also touched our area of major resistance and closed below. So we could take another sell entry. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle and our take profit could be approximately over here giving us a 3.6% profit. So overall very good and amazing returns in this gold pair as per our discussion, and other than that you guys can clearly see that market remained within our marked area of resistance and support, and market has not yet even tested our minor area of support. So the areas are going to remain same for tomorrow as well. Tomorrow, by tomorrow I mean 22nd of July, which will be the Monday when the market will continue to open. And also just remember that due to CME gap, market might open from a little bit down because the CME gap is could be there. Okay, so just be vigilant about that as well, and just remember that we are still bullish in this gold versus US dollar pair. Okay, so now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the GBP USD from where we left off. Okay, so you guys can clearly see that in the GBP USD pair, when we were discussing, market was trading over here. Yeah, so market just tested our area of minor support and closed above, so we would have hit a stop loss, and over here as well this was a hammer. But if you guys would have taken an entry in this candle, let us see that if you guys would have made any profit or loss. So you guys could have taken an entry over here, your stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and your take profit could be possibly be over here at a 0.8% level. But for that, let us go to the 15 minutes chart and let us find that out for ourselves. Yes, we are hitting a 0.8% level first, so you are going to hit one stop loss and one take profit of 0.8%. So overall you are only going to remain in a loss of 0.2%, which is not bad given the circumstances. Okay, just remember that we are still bullish in this GBP USD pair. So just be vigilant and keep an eye out. And we are going to take more bullish entries in this GBP USD pair. And I hope that we will make much more profit in the coming week. Okay, so let me just simply move forward these scenarios for you guys. And if there is anything that you guys would like to know further or would like to understand, just let me know in the comment section as well. Okay, so just give me a second, let me set this chart and move forward the scenarios. Okay, so we have moved forward the scenarios for the GBP USD, and you guys can clearly see that this is a pin bar candle where bearish pin bar, but we can look that there is a good buying pressure over here. As you guys can see that market took a reaction from here, and from this point as well market is taking a reaction, so there is a good chance that market might give us a good return from here. Okay, so now let's move forward to the next pair, which is the Euro USD pair from where we left off. Okay, so when we were discussing yesterday, market did not really move. Okay, just give me a second. Let me reset this chart and let me get back to you guys. Okay, so when we were discussing the Euro USD pair previously on Friday, market was trading approximately over here, but then we faced some internet issues in the Microsoft. That's why some servers are not getting updated. So this is the FXCM chart of Euro USD, and you guys can clearly see there is a slight difference from FXCM and Forex.com chart, but you guys can see that majorly it is same, and you guys can see that market tested our area major support and gave us some entry where we could take a good buying position. So this would be our trade number one, and our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and we could have it a stop loss. Okay, so let us go to the 15 minutes chart and let us check that out for ourselves. You guys can clearly see that market immediately went down, so we would have hit a stop loss. Okay, so let us go back to the 1 hour chart and look at the further trades. Okay, so after this trade, market again tested our area of major support and closed with a green candle. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit could be approximately over here, giving us a 1.4% profit, which is good. And then afterwards, market again entered our area support. From here we could again take an entry of a buying position. Over here our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be less than 0.3%, which means we would have had a stop loss. And then afterwards market closed just above our major support, so from here we could take another buying entry, and that trade would still be running. So just wait for the CME gap on Monday, and then with a good green candle you guys can take a buying position on Monday, the 22nd of July. Okay, so that's all for Euro USD. Our major areas of support and resistance are going to remain same. So let me just simply move forward these scenarios so you guys do not have any sort of confusion. And if you guys want to know anything else, just let us know in the comment section, and I will try my best to accommodate as much as possible. Okay, so that's all for Euro USD for today. I will see you guys on Monday night with fresh scenarios. Thank you.